Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of the Strike Zone. I'm going to throw two videos at you today. One of these topics, this first topic today, is probably one of the more important ones as we've transitioned bowling into the high school sanctioned set of activities under the NSAA umbrella. The NSAA holds a bylaw 3.5.1. You can look it up online and note it there. It deals with outside participation. And your school AD is going to know a lot about this bylaw because he or she's dealt with it in many other activities. But essentially what this bylaw states is that during a high school sports season, which begins the first day of practice, so back in mid-November, all the way through the culmination of your team finishing up their season, which can mean, let's say, the varsity team getting eliminated in district play. During that entire time frame, any one of your participants on your bowling team is not allowed to outside participate. And outside participation means participating in a like activity, so in this case bowling, with an outside team, maybe a club team, or even in an outside venue with in a bowling tournament, let's say. So again, that is not permitted during the high school bowling season, and we're in that season right now. I do always tell schools there is a waiver form that we do have posted on our webpage. If you go to nsaahome.org and you go to the schools tab, you'd find that outside participation waiver form. Your AD can fill that out, submit it on behalf of an interested athlete that maybe wants to go and outside participate. But more than likely, that athlete would then have to have some type of penalty following him or her for outside participation. There are a few instances in situations that the penalty does not accrue, but in most cases it does. So anyway, I want to call your attention to that. Make sure you really educate your kids on this because it's brand new with this change, with us sanctioning, the NSAA sanctioning bowling, but also really educate your parents because they need to know that as well. And it's simply a matter of eligibility. And there's good reason to have this in place, and a lot of it deals with just interference of maybe contest landing on others, maybe an outside participation in a contest landing on the same day as a practice or competition. Likewise, if you have somebody that's club practicing during the season, they're not maybe devoting all their time to the high school season. So there's good reason to have it. But anyway, call your attention to it, bylaw 3.5.1. Thanks. Have a good day.